forecast, prompting Governor Kathy Hochul to declare a state of emergency. With that, she's sending 100 National Guard members to our region to help with the emergency response. And travel bans for trucks on the thruway take effect tomorrow at 9 a.m. Empty or tandem trailers not allowed between Henrietta near Rochester and the Pennsylvania line. But it's not just the governor's office taking precautions here. Leaders in Buffalo and Orchard Park telling me how they are preparing as well.
We are asking members of the community to take the storm seriously.
Buffalo Mayor Byron Brown and Public Works Commissioner Nate Martin believe the city is ready for the first significant snowfall of the season.
We're prepared in the city from anywhere from 1 to 2 feet, depending on again where that band rides and moves.
Mayor Brown says this weekend's weather will not be as bad as what we saw in November and December of 2022, but this will be the first test for the city's new snow plan, emergency services manager and fleet manager.
The system is working very well. They have been working with their colleagues for several months now, so it will be a smooth transition.
The timing is going to be key.
Similar preparations are taking place in Orchard Park, with the most recent forecast bringing the snow and wind right over Highmark Stadium just in time for Sunday's playoff game.
Our biggest challenge is going to be the potential for large amounts of snow and limited visibility.
Chief Patrick Fitzgerald with Orchard Park Police tells me he's bulking up his staff for Sunday's game and has been in close contact with emergency services partners from both Erie County and the state to make sure people are safe.
The difficult task that we have getting people into a game and getting them out becomes even more difficult.
We gear up basically for a 24-hour operation.
Andy Slotman is Orchard Park's highway superintendent. His crew, no strangers to the winter weather, but having 70,000 fans descend on the stadium in the middle of a storm adds a different wrinkle.
It's something that we are kind of accustomed to, and but it definitely does impact our ability to get around.
We're hoping to be able to have the best plans, have the best manpower staffing in order to make sure that we are going to be successful and we get everyone here to enjoy themselves, see a good Buffalo Bills win, and then get home safe.
And Chief Fitzgerald reminding fans, if you are heading to the game, have a plan. Make sure you're not only dressed for the weather, but that your vehicle can handle the snow and the conditions as well. Adding, this is not the game to, quote, just wing it.